ferromagnetic nanoparticles have the unique ability to stay suspended in a fluid, creating a ferromagnetic fluid or a ferrofluid. And these ferrofluids, they're comprised of three main parts: the ferromagnetic nanoparticles themselves, a carrier fluid, and a soap-like surfactant to keep the particles from sticking or clumping together. And the ferromagnetic fluids, they can be applied to help clean oil spills. And the basic methodology for cleaning an oil spill is as follows. The ferrofluid is added to and disperses through a fluid. Then the ferrofluid magnetizes the oil when capillary action draws the oil inside the pores or cavities of the ferromagnetic nanoparticles. Then a strong magnet is applied to separate the oil and ferrofluid mixture from the water. And finally, the clean water can then be returned to the sea. Say the main inspiration for this project was this article that I read that indicated that 1.3 million gallons of petroleum are spilled into US waters, and another 700 million gallons of oil are spilled into worldwide oceans every year. And the ecological damages are really catastrophic, as we witnessed in the Exxon Valdez spill, the BP Deepwater Horizon spill, and the most recent one, there was the Rust Belt spill in Peru. And the cleanup costs in terms of time, resources, and money really become a huge burden for the government, industry, and environmentalists. And although there have been multiple historical methods to try to clean an oil spill on the surface of the water, unfortunately, these methods have varying scales of efficiency, and they can never remove 100% of the spilled oil. And a lot of them actually end up causing more additional harm to aquatic life. I would like to thank my science teacher, Mrs. Daniel, for all of her guidance and support and providing us the opportunity to participate in the Mercer County Science Fair. She really gives us a solid science foundation, and she makes science lessons really fun and really engaging.